Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn finance from basics. We'll start by demystifying core financial vocabulary, ensuring you grasp essential concepts like assets, liabilities, and net worth. Then, we'll dive into practical budgeting strategies, showing you how to track your money and make it work for you. Finally, we'll introduce you to the world of investing, covering fundamental options like stocks and bonds to help you begin building wealth. This foundational knowledge is crucial for anyone looking to take control of their financial future. Next, let's explore some key financial concepts that are vital for informed decision-making. We'll cover the time value of money, explaining why $1 today is worth more than $1 tomorrow. You'll also learn to distinguish between different types of debt, understanding how some can be leveraged for growth while others hinder progress. Finally, we'll discuss inflation, revealing how it erodes your purchasing power over time and why it's important to factor into your financial plans. These insights will empower you to make smarter choices. Now, let's put your knowledge into action. We'll guide you through creating a personalized budget that reflects your income and aspirations, helping you allocate funds effectively. You'll also learn how to research and choose investment vehicles that match your comfort level with risk, whether it's low-risk savings accounts or higher growth opportunities. Furthermore, we'll discuss strategies for debt management and the critical importance of establishing an emergency fund, typically 3 to 6 months of living expenses, for financial security. To truly master your finances, continuous learning is essential. Make it a habit to stay informed about economic trends and financial news, as the landscape is always evolving. As you gain confidence, explore more advanced topics such as real estate investing, tax planning, or comprehensive retirement strategies. Remember, financial education is a lifelong journey that pays significant dividends. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals we've found for you. Keep learning and growing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.